What's going on, guys? Everything's going great. My car got backed into a couple weeks ago, so the whole front end got smashed up. So I just decided I'm gonna make a video and show you guys me fixing it. Nice Veloster, bud. Pulling in the tubes. Welcome to Canada.
Hi there, make your order, please.
Hey, can I get a medium French vanilla, please?
So I just need 95 cents.
Oh, you do? Oh, okay. Here, I'll be on debit. Yeah, rough. I have a 20, but debit's better.
Do you get charged per transaction?
Nah. I want to do a big shout out to Galagoni. He got me back into making videos. It's my buddy Trey Svino. His YouTube is Galagoni, Gallogni. So go check him out. Subscribe if you want. I don't know, it's your choice. I don't care. Mostly car related content. He's got a couple edits going. He's mainly video logs. He's got a nice EF hatch he just bought. Hopefully you guys like what I'm gonna come up with. Pulling onto the Grove now. This is one of the biggest streets in St. John. Road lasts forever. Engage time lapse. Boys, there's the whip. So I just got to the garage. I'm gonna go out and move my car, try and get some snow off it, and then get the heater going because it's cold. So I got the keys, I got my Timmies. There it is, the whip. Got a little bit of a dent. The bumper hit it right here, kind of pushed it back, and then the trailer hitch went right through here. In Canada, this is how you get rid of snow. Take a hockey stick, done. Time to get her in. Coil over. Type of coilovers you got, Racelands. See if it'll fire up. Oh yeah. Been sitting for 2 weeks, fired up no problem. Can't see a thing. Just gonna scrape. Scrape, low life. It's alive! So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is, I didn't turn the car off. We're gonna get rid of the hood. The hood is completely smashed back and it's not gonna be easy to bend that back, so we're just gonna get a new one. The bumper, we're getting a new one, and a front lip. We already have the grille, but this one is completely mangled, and so is my AC condenser, but you don't need AC. It's Canada, all you need is heat. First we're gonna start by getting the bumper and the hood off, and then tomorrow we can think about putting it back together.
En la ciencia.
Oh yeah, look at the pearl in that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Anyway, we got the treble light now, so we're just gonna take a look in here. We gotta take these bolts out. They're, I would say that's probably a 10 mil. but I had to use a piece of rebar to hold the hood up because my hood support doesn't work. Well, I finally got the hood off. That was a pain in the ass. The hoses for the windshield washer fluid, these guys right here, they didn't want to come off too easy, but I got them. It's kind of hard. I had to hold the hood up with one hand and then with my other hand rip those guys off, and it was supposed to sit probably about here. It got pushed in quite a bit that way. See how much closer that is? It got pushed too far this way, so it was actually sitting over top. I got a little scratch here because of it. The rad support was pushed back to about here, but I managed to get back a little bit straighter, but it's still not fully there. There's still a few things I gotta bend in, like this. Right here, this is kind of crooked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and get it as straight as possible, and tomorrow we'll put the new hood on, and if it doesn't go on and doesn't fit right, or the latch isn't working right, then I'm just gonna end up probably cutting it here right before the bracket, and then here, and then just getting the new upper rad support. That's worst case scenario, because looks like I might, this one's in decent shape. I mean, it's a little rusty because of our weather. The rat has a little bit of movement to it, as you can see. It's not supposed to move at all. That wasn't on there all the way. But yeah, the AC condenser is super crooked and it's missing a lot of teeth, but the radiator looks fine. You can see this right here. Ah, that cut. And I did paint this part of the grill, so I think I'm going to repaint that green like I did last time. The new one's all black. I'm going to get some new a new exhaust manifold. The headers are stainless that I'm looking at, but I'm not sure about buying them yet. I just want to get the car back together, honestly. So yeah, let's try and get this grill off. Get the new grill right here. As you can see, it will sit right about there. Like I said, I painted this and then I taped off a little black line because I thought it looked kind of cool. So probably going to redo that on this. I didn't do a great job taping off these round parts, but you know, we got another try at it. So let's try and get this grill off. So on the inside of the grill, it looks like it's just a few tree clips. And you can see them right there. That's that part where it hooks on. So we'll try and get those out first. Let's see, I think the best way to get at these is probably just hit it down with a hammer here, because it's supposed to have an insert. Oh, there it is. Where you can just stick a flathead in and pop it out. It'll bring this down, and then these forks go inside. But it's kind of hard with the bumper on, so we're gonna get a hammer and just pound that down. I couldn't find a hammer, but what I did find is a handful of ingenuity using the back of this hatchet. And then got this guy. Look at that. That's a chisel right there, boys. All the clips out, and now it should come right out. Look at that. Fucking frisbee. Look at that. It's freaking dark outside. So next thing I'm going to do is grab the 10 mil again, and right inside here is the bolt. Look at this. Look at this. You know what this calls for? I need this guy. How much reach this thing has? Enough for like 2 clicks. One. The water in here is getting a little crazy. So sometimes you run into some tight spaces like this. So a little ingenuity goes a long way. So Honda decided to put a bolt in there. There's not really any way to pry it. So I grabbed this wrench and you just put it on top like this. Two. So the next thing we gotta do is take that lip off. And the bumper. Only people with lowered cars would understand this. low life. Thing we gotta do is take these out, pull a Phillips, same on the other side. For a lot of fucking around, I got it off. There was a couple more of those Christmas tree clips. Yeah, that's the original color of the car. It was silver, and now it's not. So the next part is to take out this little screw right there. There we go, now I got the bumper off. The hood, the grille, the lip, and it looks like they were using some electrical tape to hold the styrofoam on. See, that's what the normal bumper is supposed to look like, and it's kind of dinged up, but didn't blow the airbag, so we're good. I just found out why my windshield washer fluid doesn't work. It's all been taped off, and yeah, AC condenser missing half the fins. It's all done. I want to say thank you for watching, guys. The car's all taken apart and it's ready to be put back together. Just waiting on the parts to come in, the old parts off, and the new parts coming tomorrow, hopefully. That's what the junkyard says. We'll paint it in the spring. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, just like and subscribe, and follow my buddy Galagoni. Gotta turn the heater off. See you next time.